What's the meaning of compost pile? Compost pile. Compost pile.
Compost pile. Compost pile. A compost pile is a collection of organic materials that are allowed to decompose and break down into nutrient-rich soil. This process is called composting, and it involves the use of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and worms to break down organic matter such as food scraps, leaves, and grass clippings. The end result of composting is a dark, crumbly substance known as compost. Compost is an excellent soil conditioner that can be used to improve soil quality, increase plant growth, and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. It is also an environmentally friendly way to dispose of organic waste.